7 signals that the body shows signals before a month of heart attack. A heart attack is a scary thing. A person who already affected with heart attack, he need to live very carefully for almost the rest of the life. Heart attack is a silent killer. Anyone can fall as victim to it at any time. Lack of exercise, unhealthy diet and irregular lifestyle increase the risk of heart attack. A heart attack usually occurs when adequate blood flow to the heart is reduced or stopped, or a heart attack occurs when there is a block in the blood vessels. But if you catch the symptoms of heart attack early, it may be possible to avoid premature death. Approximately a month before of a heart attack, the body starts showing some warning signals. Here are 7 symptoms that will tell you that you are about to have a heart attack. Abnormal physical weakness. This happens when blood flow is reduced and blood circulation is obstructed. This is the main symptom of heart disease. When the accumulation of fat in the veins and arteries causes obstruction and the muscles become weak, then there is a high risk of heart attack. Cold sweat. If the blood flow is reduced, the body will sweating. That's why body feel damp and clogged. Chest pain. If you experience chest, arm, back and shoulder pain, contact your doctor immediately. Chest pain and tightness is a major symptom of heart disease. Cold or flu. Many heart attack victims have experience of cold or flu before a month of heart attack. Shortness of breath. Such problems occur when the lungs do not get enough oxygen and blood. If there is a heart problem, the blood flow to the lungs decreases and problems such as shortness of breath increases. Vomiting, indigestion, abdominal pain. Nausea, indigestion, heartburn or lower abdominal pain can also be early signs of a heart attack. So if these symptoms appear, then consult with a doctor immediately. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.